Hello, what's up? What's going on, guys? This is Diane. Welcome to Tech with Diane. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this error in Django. You have a project that you're working on and you encounter this type of error. Render got an unexpected keyword argument. So I'm going to show you how you can solve that very quick. So here I have a project that I prepared to demonstrate how you can solve that area. I have the project called tutor track, and under the tutor track, then I have the setting files, URLs, file files. Then I registered my tutor app, which is tutor app here. The path for it to be include and tutor URLs. So consider to include this function. You need to, so that you can use it, or consider to import it from django.urls. So when I go to my settings, then I made sure my tutor app is registered here under the installed apps. So here, the tutor app is registered under the installed app. So the next thing to do here is to go to the tutor app. So why that area of render got the error of render got unexpected keyword argument is here. So let's say, under the tutor app, you have your views that you write here, and you have your URLs patterns, which are here. So you have the views of the first view of the home page, and if you add by mistake, add any extra argument here, which is the name, which I added by mistake. Instead, the extra argument is supposed to be going for the name, goes to the URL pattern, not under the views. So when you add any extra argument, let's say I type the name home, and let's see that. So that's why I'm encountering this error. You see that this I need to make sure so let me say I need to run my server python manage.py run server. But now I'm getting this error. So the easiest way to solve this error is I don't need to, under my views, I don't need to add this extra argument here. So views doesn't take the name argument, even though if I add args, star args and quags, I will still face the same challenge because it doesn't need to take that argument. So to solve that problem, just take off the extra argument that you added here of the name. Then that problem will be solved. Now if I take it off and I go back to my browser and I load, then I can now see hello world. So it can just render. So that's it. Please, if you like this video, please consider to subscribe, and I'll be bringing you videos every time related to Django and the other programming languages. So please consider subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.